Hello, my name is Kerry and this is a Scepter gas can that I bought at Home Depot. The gas can I bought didn't have instructions with it, so it took me 10 minutes and an online search to figure out how to use the gas can. Hopefully this video will save you a little bit of time. The first thing I need to do is press in on the black flange that circles the neck of the gas can and locks the gas cap in place. Then twist counterclockwise to remove the cap. With the cap off, I'll pull the spout out of the tank and remove the spout cap from the bottom of the spout. Then I'll flip the spout over, place it on the tank outlet, and reinstall the cap. The teeth of the black flange will click against the cap as I tighten it. On the base of the spout is a green collar. Notice that there is a lock and unlock position. What I need to do next is rotate the collar counterclockwise until it clicks and stays in the unlock position. Notice that even in the unlock position, no gas comes out of the spout. The step I was missing is that for gas to come out of the can, I need to depress the spout. If I release the spout, notice that the green collar pops back into the lock position. So I'll need to rotate the collar again into the unlock position and depress the spout for gas to come out of the can. Okay, let's give it a try on a gas tank. First I'll rotate the collar into the unlock position. There will be a click when the collar is rotated far enough. Next I'll place the small notch tab on the spout against the lip of the gas tank and depress the spout. Sure enough, gas comes out of the gas can and into the fuel tank. When I quit depressing the spout against the string trimmer tank, the spout pops back and the green collar returns to the lock position. If I wanted to put more gas in the tank, I would have to repeat the steps with the lock collar again. One of the things I don't like about this type of spout is that the gas comes gushing out of the can. There is no fine control of pouring gas into the tank on the trimmer. That isn't a big problem with this 1-gallon gas can, but I could see how it could be a problem with, say, a 5-gallon gas can. With my trimmer tank full of gas, I'll take the spout cap and place it on the spout until I need to fuel something again. I'm not real impressed with this type of safety feature on a gas can. It's not intuitive and it's not an easy feature to use, but it looks like that's the way all gas cans in the future are going to be. If you like this video, please share it and click the thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please visit my YouTube channel, iScaper1.